Here's a good before shot before the Bilstein 5100s are installed on my pickup. I'll bring the front up a little bit, get some better shocks on it. Okay, the rear Bilstein 5100s are in. 2 bolts. Super easy shock to put in the rear. I didn't do it, which is really unlike me. I would usually do a really easy job like this, but they were already doing the fronts, and I didn't want to tackle the front by myself without a couple other hands to help push the lower control arm down while trying to get the assembly out, the strut assembly and spring and everything. Just didn't want to try it by myself, so I did lose some money, but that's okay. But that's the rear. Okay, here's the front Bilstein 5100s in, and with the upper control arm replaced so that the articulation of the ball joint, as you can see, is still normal. I mean, you know what I mean? It's not all bent crazy with the stock upper control arm, like I saw pictures of on YouTube after people installed this without replacing the upper control arm. So I went with, and I can put it in the description, it's $129 part, but it seemed to be, you know, I compared it with the stock one, and it seemed to be very comparable, if not better than stock. So so far I'm extremely happy with the ride. Rode home with it last night. Felt really, made my whole truck feel kind of tight, and just better over bumps and everything. It's hard to explain, but I'm very happy with it so far. Here's an after picture after the Bilstein shocks are on. It is up a little bit high in the back because I've got 15 pounds of pressure in some aftermarket airbags. I could actually lower it an inch or so in the back, but I think I'm going to keep it like that just to keep some air in those bags. But I like the way it lifted up the front about 2 inches. It looks really good.